Hello everyone, welcome to ACube. Let's start with a new topic.
Nutrients. Nutrients are the substance to functioning of organ and basic function of the body. These are four types. First, types of nutrients for producing energy. Second, for controlling metabolic system. Third, for development and increase the body. Fourth, for heredity transfer. To functioning a human body, there are 6 types of nutrients required. First, carbohydrate. Second, protein. Third, vasha. Fourth, vitamin, nucleic acid, minerals and water. First, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, which has carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in a ratio 1:1. 1 gram glucose convert by oxidation in 4.2 kilocalorie energy. Carbohydrate are 3 types. Basically, first is monosaccharide like glucose, galactose, mannose, triose. Second, disaccharide. Disaccharide is made of 2 different kind of monosaccharide. First, glucose plus fructose is called sucrose. Glucose plus glucose is called maltose. Glucose plus lactose is called lactose. Third, polysaccharide. When many monosaccharide are making a long chain, it's called polysaccharide. Example are starch, glycogen, chitin. It's found in arthropoda, skeleton and cellulose. Basic functioning of carbohydrate. Oxidation process give energy to the body to store food, to store vitamin C, nucleic acid. Basic source of carbohydrate are wheat, rice, maize, bajra, aloo, sakarkand, saljam. Second is protein. It's a nutrients. First word protein used by J. Berzelius. It's a complex carbonic compound which has 20 amino acids. 50% of the body is made of protein. Every protein have a nitrogen. Human body needs 20 types of protein. Out of 10 are absorbed by body itself. A working woman needed 45 gram of protein every day. Types of protein. Simple protein, which are made of only amino acid like albumins, globulins, histone. Second, conjugated protein, which are found in conjugation like chromoprotein, glycan protein. Third type is derived protein, which are made of hydrolysis process of natural protein. Example, proteins, peptone, peptide. Basic function of protein. It takes part in the formation of cell, protoplasma and tissues. These are important for physical growth. Less amount of protein in a human body called child disease called kwashiorkor or Marsomas disease, in which bile is increases, belly fat is increases, but human legs and hands are lean. These provide energy when necessity, transfer or develop genetic characters. Fats. Third type, fats. Fat is a ester of glycerol and fatty acid. In these, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are present in different quantities. Normally, fat remains in a solid state at 20 degrees centigrade temperature, otherwise in a liquid state. Fatty acids are two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids are palm oil and parachute coconut oil. Others are unsaturated oil like fish oil, vegetable. 9.3 kilocalories energy is liberated from 1 gram of fat. Adult person should get 20 to 30% of energy part from fat. Main function of fat: it provides energy to the body, it remains the skin and prevent the loss of heat from the body, it make the food material tasty, it protect different part of body from injury. Due to lack of fat, skin get dried and excessive fat can cause heart disease, blood pressure increase. Fourth is vitamins. Vitamins were invented by F.G. Hopkins, coined by Funk. These are organic compounds required in minute quantities. No calories obtained from it, but it's very important to regulating chemical reaction in the metabolic of the body. There are two types of vitamins on the solubility basis. First is vitamin soluble in water. These are B and C. Vitamins soluble in fat. Vitamin A, D, E and K. There are some diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin and their sources of vitamins as below. First is vitamin A. Vitamin A chemical name is retinol. Color blindness sources are milk, egg, cheese, green vegetable, fish liver oil and carrot. Second is vitamin B1 is thiamine. Berry get from groundnuts, liver, egg, vegetables. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. Cracking of skin, reddish eye, cracking of tongue get by milk, meat and green vegetables. Vitamin B3 is called niacin. Whitening of hair, mentally retarded get from meat, milk, nut and tomato sugar cane. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Pellagra or 4D syndrome get from meat, ground potato, tomato, nut, leafy vegetable, etc. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Anemia, skin disease, liver, meats, grains, etc. Vitamin B7 is called biotin. Deficiency is called paralysis, body pain, hair falling. Get from meat, egg, liver, milk. Vitamin B11 folic acid. Anemia, distresses get from pulse, liver, egg. Vitamin B12 cyanocolamine cause anemia, jaundice, thyroid, leukemic get from milk and meat. Vitamin folic acid, anemia and diarrhea get from vegetable, liver and eggs and pulses. Next, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, scream, swelling of gums get from lemon, organ, tomato sour substance, chili, sprouted grains. Vitamin D, calciferol, rickets, osteomalcia, fish liver, oil, milk, egg, etc. Vitamin E, tocopherol, less fertility, leaf vegetable, milk, butter, sprouted wheat, vegetable oil, etc. Vitamin K. Vitamin K, phenoquinone, help to blood clotting. tomato, soybean oil, green vegetable oil, etc. Cobalt is found in vitamin B12. Synthesis of vitamin cannot be done by the cell and it's fulfilled by the vitamin containing foods. Vitamin K and D are synthesized in our body due to ultraviolet rays. Vitamin D is synthesized through sunlight. Vitamin K is synthesized in our colon by the bacteria and from it is absorbed. Vitamin A is mainly stored in liver. 6-part minerals. Mineral is homogeneous inorganic material needed for bodies. Basically these control metabolic system of body. Minerals are sodium as sodium chloride, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine 20 gram. It is useful for synthesis of thyroxine hormone. Iron is helpful for red blood, trophus and hemoglobin. Phosphorus provide bone strength. Magnesium for functioning of muscular system from vegetable. Zinc for liver and fishes. Its functioning insulin control functioning. Copper formation of hemoglobin and bones as a conductor of electrons. Cobalt is very small quantity for synthesis of Rb and vitamin B12. Earlier sodium chloride. Construction of muscles. Control positive electrolyte balance in a body. Potassium is basically normally found in protoplasma. Muscle concentration, nerve conditions maintained for positive electrolyte in a body. Calcium is helpful to provide strength to the bones. Presence of excess fluorine in a water cause fluorosis, cause tooth decay. Most toothpaste contains fluorides. Deficiency of molybdenum affect the activity of nitrogens, nitrate reductants and chlorate reductants in a plant. Hard enamel layer of teeth is calcium hydroxyapatite. Deficiency of calcium and iron generally found in pregnant women. 7th is water. It's a 60 to 75% weight of the body is water. Water is control the temperature of body, sweating and vaporizing. Excretory substance from the body. Maximum chemical reaction in the body performed through hydrolysis. Balanced diet. Balanced diet, the nutrients in which all the important nutrients organism are available in sufficient quantity is called balanced diet.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the A Cube, and you can also find my other videos in playlist.